Hello everyone, how is your day going? In today's presentation, I will discuss some tips on how to pay off your credit card debts. Before I proceed, a quick reminder to please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already done so. Like and share this video and remember to press the notification button. Now let's get started. How to pay off your credit card debt. Number 1. Determine how much credit card debt you owe on each credit card and the various interest rates. Number 2. Determine the entire or the total credit card debt. Number 3. Set out a repayment plan. Now, let's discuss some practical actions that you can take. Number 1, pay off the card with the highest interest rate first. Review your cards, determine the one with the highest interest rate and pay that off first. But remember to pay your minimum balance on the remaining cards to protect your credit history. Number 2, pay off the card with the smallest balance. This is also an alternative. If you pay off the card with the smallest balance owing, this will motivate you to make you happy, to have the confidence that you can pay off the remaining credit card balances that you are owing. Number 3, balance transfer. You can approach your bank or your financial institution, talk to them and see if they can give you a card with either 0, 8, 15, whatever, any card with a lower interest rate or a loan. What you do in this case is to transfer the balance owing on a high interest rate card to that card with a small balance. This will help you to save on interest and enable you to pay off the balance owing on time. Number 4, make periodic payments that are more than your minimum payment. You will never pay off your credit card balance if you continue to pay the minimum payment only. Number 5, depending on the kind of card you have, you can use your points to pay off some of the balance owing. Number 6, you can obtain a loan or a credit line with a lower interest rate. Pay off the entire balances on the credit cards that you are owing and set up a fixed auto payment of the loan or credit line. In this way, you will be able to pay off all the balance owing over a period of time. Number 7, consolidation loan. You can approach your financial institution or your bank to put all your debts together and make one fixed payment over a period of time. The plan will include your credit card and other personal or consumer loan. Usually, they will give you a lower interest rate. Finally, recognize 2 things. I want you to pay attention to these 2 things. Paying off your credit card debt will help you to save on interest. It will give you peace of mind, and the money that you save on interest can be used somewhere else, maybe to invest or something. And say no to new credit card or consumer loan. We have to stop here for now. A quick reminder to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already done so. Like and share this video with your friends and family members, and let me know of future topics you want me to discuss on the comment section. Until my next presentation, thank you very much, merci beaucoup, and bye for now.